A New York appellate court has overturned the $454 million civil fraud judgment issued last year against President Donald Trump, his adult children, and his company. The decision comes after a trial that concluded Trump and his family had inflated their net worth to secure more favorable loans, but the court ruled that the imposed fine was excessive and violated the Eighth Amendment. The ruling from the First Department of the Appellate Division confirms that business fraud occurred over a decade, and that all defendants acted with intent to defraud. However, the judges determined that the harm caused did not justify a nearly $500 million penalty, opening the door for the parties to appeal to the state's Court of Appeals. Alina Habba, Trump's former personal attorney, called the ruling a resounding victory, and claimed that the fine was outrageous, illegal, and politically motivated. Meanwhile, Judge Arthur Engoron, who issued the original verdict, had stated that Trump and his co-defendants engaged in frauds that leap off the page and shock the conscience, including exaggerating the size of properties like his penthouse and Mar-a-Lago. Engoron also criticized the defendants' lack of contrition and highlighted that they repeatedly inflated assets to gain financial advantage. Trump has maintained that the case lacks legal merit and that the alleged victims were sophisticated counterparts who benefited from the deals. During the trial, he claimed innocence and denounced what he considers political persecution by New York Attorney General Letitia James. In the original judgment, Engoron temporarily barred Trump and his children from running businesses in New York and ordered payment of the multimillion-dollar fine, which increased with interest. Trump's return to the White House has not halted the civil cases against him. His lawyers have requested that James drop the lawsuits, but the Attorney General rejected the plea, asserting that civil cases do not interfere with presidential duties. In addition to this ruling, Trump faces other civil judgments, including $83.3 million for defamation against Jean Carroll and $5 million for sexual abuse, which remain in effect. This ruling marks a significant turn in the lawsuits against Trump, reducing the financial burden and reinforcing his claims of political motivation, while leaving the possibility of appeal open. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.